can one still follow her skincare routine and achieve a glowy skin this heat period? In this very video, you're going to find out all the answers that you need to this question. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi, Favy. In the previous video that I did, I talked about how to actually layer your body care products in this heat period because the weather is so hot. You can see very well, I'm actually sweating. Even being under fan, okay? So what I'm trying to say is that if you don't do your skincare routine this particular heat period, you are going to get darker, or the skin concern that you are having is going to get worse. And for you to be able to do your skincare routine and do it effectively, you are going to follow these steps that I'm going to give in this video. So the first tip that I want to tell you in this video would be you cleansing properly, okay? This heat period will require that you cleanse your body, or cleanse your face rather, properly using the right product. If you have an oily skin, combination skin, I would say you go for foaming cleansers, okay? If you have a normal skin or a sensitive skin, I would say that you go for hydrating cleansers. Cleansers would help you to cleanse your skin or cleanse your face very, very well, so that your face will be free from germs, dirt, sweats, and all other. Like, using the right cleansers will help to unclog your pores and make you not to sweat as much as you used to sweat before. The second tip is for you to wear colorful clothes, okay? This is the period that you have to keep your black clothes in your wardrobe and switch on to colorful clothes. As you can see, I'm wearing something colorful. Bring out your rainbow your rainbow clothes, your red, blue, pink, any color, and wear them this period, okay? Your orange clothes, wear them. Black actually emits heat on our body or on our skin, and it will make you to sweat a whole lot, okay? If you want, you can test out this tip that I just said now. Wear a black cloth and go out today, and tomorrow you wear a colorful cloth, and then you check how you sweat. You're not going to sweat much when you wear a colorful cloth. So put on colorful garments this period, okay? So the third tip would be you layering few skincare products. Do not layer a lot of skincare products this period. Make your skincare routine steps to be very, very minimal, okay? Me, these days, what I just do is to cleanse my face using my bar soap, my Dettol skincare bar soap, and afterwards, I will just go ahead and apply my moisturizer on some days. But if it's a day that maybe I woke up very early, because whenever I wake up like maybe around 6 and I have my bath around 6 or 6:30, the weather is actually very calm. That way, I will be able to like do more steps in my routine. But if you wake up late and you're trying to do your skincare, please reduce the steps that you follow, okay? And also, if you have an oily skin or sensitive skin, or if any skin that you have, most of these sunscreens that we use, okay, actually like moisturize our skin. So you can just skip your moisturizer and use your sunscreen. What I'm trying to say is that it's your face, use a toner that is hydrating and soothing, like the simple soothing facial toner. And when you're done with your toner, you can go ahead and use your serum. That is if you are treating a particular thing. But if you are not, you can also skip your serum or skip your toner and then go ahead and apply your sunscreen very, very well this particular heat period, because you need some protection, okay? So always apply your sunscreen, and also remember to reapply every 2 hours, and also apply generously. If you are wearing makeup and you are wondering how you're going to apply your sunscreen, I would say get a sun spray, okay? They have a sunscreen that you can just spray on your face. You can just get it so that you will protect your skin and protect your face from the harmful UV rays, so that you will not get darker this heat period. I think the particular point that I just mentioned now is even 2 in 1 or even 3 in 1 point, okay? I hope by now you're already taking notes, because you have a lot to learn. So the next thing that I'm going to tell you is that you are going to embrace using hydrating and soothing products this particular heat period, because the sun will react on your face and you may end up having redness, itchiness on the skin, and a lot of things. A lot of things will happen this particular period if you don't take proper care of yourself and if you don't know the right products to use and when to use it, okay? So what I'm trying to say is that you're going to embrace using certain products, and products that will calm your skin so well. And for products that will calm your skin so well, in my own routine, routine would be this simple soothing toner and aloe vera gel. These two in my routine is like a must whenever I'm applying my skincare products this very period. I lean towards using aloe vera gel and I lean towards using the simple toner because it would help to calm my skin and also lock in moisture. This period, you don't need to be dehydrated. You don't need your skin to be looking so flaky and so dry and maybe looking itchy as well. So you're going to be getting soothing products that will actually help to soothe your face and lock in moisture. You need to have a hydrated skin, a skin that is all moisturized, and these two, like having these two in your routine, will do the job and do the job very, very fine. Okay, the next tip I want to tell you is to exfoliate wisely. Okay, if during the dry season you exfoliate like 3 times in a week, I want you to reduce the way you exfoliate this period. Exfoliate just 2 times in a week and make sure that you are exfoliating. Exfoliation will help open up your pores so that you'll be sweating out, okay, so that the sweat will not be clogging your pores and be making you to have a foul smell or making your skin to be very, very dirty. Reduce the way you exfoliate because of heat rashes, and some of us have very, very sensitive skin that whenever you exfoliate you might actually end up having bumps, and then it will result to redness, it will result to that place being inflamed, and then you'll be feeling pain at that part of the body. So reduce the way you exfoliate, and whenever you are exfoliating, please be gentle when you are exfoliating your skin. Okay, even if you're using a physical scrub to exfoliate your body, please be gentle when using that. And also for your face, you're going to be using a chemical exfoliant to exfoliate your face. I have a full video where I talked about how to exfoliate your body and also how to exfoliate your face. So when you're exfoliating your face, please be gentle and also do not do too much. Know that is your face that you're talking about, or is your face that you're exfoliating. So please be very, very gentle while doing that. This period is a period that your skin can easily get irritated. Even if you don't have a sensitive skin, your skin can easily get it irritated this very, very period that I'm talking about. So you have to be very, very careful and very, very gentle while exfoliating your face and your body as well. You see, this period that we are in, make water your best friend. Drink water, drink a lot of water. Like, always drink water. Before I started this video, I drank to this point. I don't know if you can see it in this can. I drank to this point. Like, make sure that you drink water. Make sure that you're always hydrated. Make sure that your system does not lack water, because these skincare products will not work if your body is dehydrated. If your body is hydrated, the skincare products will now work and they'll be very, very effective. Also, eat foods that have high water content. Fruits like watermelon, cucumber, mango is even out, okay? Eat fruits that will nourish your skin, nourish your body from the inside. Pineapple, any fruit you can lay your hands on, just make sure that you're eating fruits and also make sure that you are taking water. These two will go hand in hand to make sure that your skincare products are working and at the end give you a glowy and a radiant skin. The next tip that I'm going to give you in this video is for you to reduce how you apply your makeup. Okay, makeup application. Reduce heavy makeup. This is not the period that you have to give your face that full face beat. Please let us keep it minimal so that your pores will not be clogged and then you end up sweating. Okay, do you get? There's no reason why you should apply double layers or triple layers of foundation and then you're expecting that you're not going to sweat. You're going to sweat, except if you are doing a job that requires that you stay under the air condition. That is the only way that you're not going to sweat this period. Just imagine the way I'm sweating doing this video. Then I'm not going to apply makeup on my skin. Like, do you get? So please, if it is not very, very needful, carry your face like that. Do your skincare routine and just carry your face like that and you're good to go. The last tip that I'm going to give to you in this video will have to be getting a mini fan, mini portable fan. You see, this fan is a lifesaver. You have seen this fan countless times on this channel. This fan is my best friend, like literally my best friend in this particular heat period. It will help to keep your skin dry. You understand? You will not be sweating a lot, and it's very, very portable. This one can even fold. Okay, it is foldable. You can get this type so that you can just throw it into your handbag. It is very, very portable. So I would advise that you get a portable fan, that when you are doing your skincare routine, when you are doing that routine, you use the fan, place it here, okay, and then be doing your routine, and then you will notice that your skincare products will be absorbing quickly onto your skin. And also when you're outside and you're feeling like you're sweaty, you're uncomfortable, you want to dry your face, you don't want to sweat a lot, okay, you just bring out your fan and fan your face again. You see, this fan is a lifesaver this particular period. If you have a portable fan, you can be able to relate what I'm talking about, because we are not even like sure of steady light supply here in Nigeria. So if once you charge this one now, it is good to go. And also you can even power it using your power bank, okay, just in case you don't have light and you're outside and maybe the percentage runs down and the battery finishes, you can power it again and use it. Like, it is so, how will I put it, it is a lifesaver. This is such a lifesaver, okay, this is a lifesaver. So you can actually purchase this maybe in the market or via online vendors, or even purchase from Jumia. Anywhere you want to purchase from, I would say get yourself a mini portable fan today, and you will see that you are going to say at least goodbye to some extent to heat and heat wahala this period, okay? And that is it, my loves. With these skincare tips that I just gave in this video, you can be able to stay hydrated, stay fresh, stay glowy, and still have a brighter skin. So if you have watched a particular point of the video and you are yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe, please. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. Like this video if you just enjoyed what you watched now on your screen. Share to someone that you know is complaining of heat wahala and how to keep up with skincare this particular heat period, okay? And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.